Businesses are the lifeblood of any economy. They provide goods and services, create jobs, and drive innovation. But businesses don't just happen. They require careful planning, hard work, and a bit of luck. To get started, would-be business owners first need to come up with a business idea. Hey there, my name is David, and I'm excited to share with you some information about the 7 businesses that are going boom in 2023. If you are looking for a new business venture or just want to stay ahead of the curve, then you will definitely want to watch this video all the way through. So let's get started. Number 7. Social media marketing. Anyone who owns a business knows that marketing is essential to success. In the past, business would market themselves through print ads, television commercials, and radio spots. However, in today's digital world, social media has become one of the most powerful marketing tools available. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow businesses to reach a wide audience with minimal effort. By creating engaging content and using targeted advertising, business can quickly build up a following of potential customers. Best of all, social media marketing is relatively inexpensive, making it an attractive option for small businesses. As the power of social media continues to grow, it's clear that business need to be on board if they want to stay ahead of the competition. E-commerce storefronts. E-commerce storefronts have become a popular way for businesses to sell their products and services online. A storefront is essentially a website that allows customers to browse and purchase items from the comfort of their own homes. In many cases, e-commerce storefronts offer a more user-friendly and convenient shopping experience than traditional brick-and-mortar stores. That being said, there are a few things to keep in mind before setting up an e-commerce storefront for your businesses. First and foremost, you will need to choose the right platforms for your business. There are dozens of different e-commerce platforms available, so it's important to do your research and select the one that best suits your needs. Additionally, you will need to make sure that your website is optimized for search engine and mobile devices. Finally, you need to create compelling product descriptions and images that accurately represent your products or services. By following these tips, you can set up an e-commerce storefront that will help your business thrive. Number 5. Mobile app development. Mobile app development is a rapidly growing field as businesses increasingly look to take advantage of the vast potential of mobile technologies. The process of developing a mobile app generally involves 4 key stages: ideation, design, development, and testing and launch. Ideation is the initial stage in which the team brainstorms ideas and comes up with a concept for the app. Once the basic idea is in place, the design team creates wireframes and mockups to visualize how the app will look and function. The development team then takes these designs and builds the actual app, ensuring that it meets all the necessary technical requirements. Finally, the app is put through rigorous testing to ensure that it is ready for launch. With each new generation of mobile devices, the possibilities for mobile app development continue to expand, making it an exciting and ever-changing field. Number 4. Home healthcare services. Home healthcare services are businesses that provide skilled nursing and other medical services in the home. These services can be provided by licensed healthcare professionals such as registered nurses, nurse practitioners, and physical therapists. Home healthcare services can also include non-medical services such as home care aides and homemakers. Home healthcare services are typically covered by Medicare and Medicaid and many private insurance plans. In recent years, there has been an increase in the number of people who are choosing to receive home healthcare services. This is due to a number of factors, including the increasing cost of healthcare, the availability of more sophisticated home healthcare technology, and the aging of the population. Number 3. Data analytics. Data analytics is the process of examining data to draw conclusions about business performance. By analyzing data, business can identify trends and patterns and make decisions that improve efficiency and effectiveness. Data analytics can be used to improve a wide variety of business processes, from marketing and sales to customer service and operations. In recent years, data analytics has become increasingly important as businesses have started to collect more data than ever before. With the right tools and techniques, data analytics can help business gain a competitive edge by making better use of their data. Number 2. 3D printing. 3D printing is a rapidly growing technology that is revolutionizing the business world. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which involve cutting and shaping materials to create an object, 3D printing builds an object layer by layer. This allows for greater flexibility in design and the ability to create complex objects with intricate details. In addition, 3D printing is typically faster and more cost-effective than traditional manufacturing methods. As a result, it is increasingly being used by businesses of all sizes to create prototypes, product parts, and marketing materials. With its vast potential applications, it's clear that 3D printing is destined to have a major impact on the business world in the years to come. Number 1. Online education. As the business world becomes increasingly globalized, more and more employers are looking for employees with international experience. One way to get this experience is through online education. Online education gives students the opportunity to take courses from all over the world without having to leave their home country. In addition, online courses are often more flexible and affordable than traditional bricks and mortar courses. As a result, online education is a great option for business students who want to gain international experience. The ins and outs of 7 business ideas. Now that you know a bit more about 7 effective business that will boom in 2023, you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for your business. Of course, this is just a general overview. There's a lot more to learn about business, but I hope this has given you a good starting point